I didn't know that Jaystation was back. New channel called Station Studios. And bro, look at his face. I mean, let me bring up an old one, bro. From this looking like kind of still no life in the eyes, right? Bro, it's gone. It's like negative light. It's sapping life from everyone around so that he can continue. I don't know. He needs more life source. So he's trying to get views again. I might skip around, but let's just see what's going on.
What's poppin', guys? Back with another 3 a.m. challenge. I just put Talking Juan into Talking Angela's game and he kidnapped her.
Bro, hold on. I gotta get perspective. How long has he been back at this? Okay, he's been back for months. Whoa, he tried different videos. Hold up. Yo, he's doing like react videos. What? Or he was, and then he switched back to 3 a.m.
Today we're looking at 20 of the most haunted videos that took place on Christmas. Smash the like button.
Dude, he's rocking the beanie too.
And hit that subscribe. I'm trying to reach 1 million.
Bro, I did the exact same thing with my mic originally. This works better.
Subscribers by the end of 2026. Let's get into the video. A security camera.
Well, you got 6 months left to do it, man, and you're at 44K.
Caught a quiet Christmas scene turning violent in seconds. Without warning, a decorated tree.
Dude, should we just watch Jaystation videos for scary videos? Immediately switched to 3 a.m., got 400K views. He's like, wow, I tried being genuine. This is a seasoned Jaystation.
Talking Juan said if we got 2,000 likes, he'll let Angela go. And guys, we got 4,000 likes on that video. So Talking Angela must be free right now. So let's just pull her up on my phone and ask. What the? She's still not in her game, guys. Where is she, guys? She's not in her game. Juan said he'd let her go. We gotta confront Talking Juan right now. He probably still has Angela.
Dude, this is such brain rot, but he's really setting it up. You think he like storyboards this out?
Oh my god, Talking Angela! Juan, you lied to me. You said you let her go if we got 2,000 likes.
Bro, what even game is this? What is this, bro? Are you just gonna talk to cartoons all day?
Reading a newspaper. Hey, Talking Ben. Talking Ben, I need your help. Put down the newspaper right now and talk to me. Talking Ben, it's 3 a.m.
Oh my god, this is unbearable, dude.
Angela, I tried to get Talking Ben to help you, but he doesn't believe me. What are you doing, Juan? Oh my god, Juan, what are you doing?
Get Talking Maria to call him. He'll believe Talking Maria. Hurry, Jay.
Shut up, you filthy stray.
Bro, what is this AI? Is this what people use AI for nowadays? Like, oh my god.
Now eat this spider.
No, she doesn't like eating spiders, Juan. Stop doing that.
Now leave us alone, Jay. Talking Angela is mine forever.
Oh, wait, what? Get away from me. Oh my god, guys. Angela. Oh my god, guys, he shut the blinds on me. What is he doing to Angela? He doesn't even come to the other rooms when you change it, guys. Look, this room doesn't have him either.
Dude, I don't know. This is so goofy.
Me.
Angela told me it was you that got her into this mess. It's your fault.
It's my fault. I'm sorry, Ben. It was an accident.
You hurt Angela. Now I want to hurt you.
Ben, stop. You're freaking me out right now.
I'd love to chop on a human bone.
Ben, stop.
Dude, this is for kids? This is kind of a lot for children, you know? Like, I mean, what kind of age range are we talking here?
Rescued her. She's safe now. You can calm down, please.
Me and Angela back in her game right now, or you're going to pay.
Ben, stop. You're freaking me out. I think you're going to hurt me after I help you. I'm not doing it.
Put us back into Angela's game. You're making me very, very angry.
Ben,
I'm going to show up at your house instead.
Ben, please stop. Please stop. I'll help you. I promise.
Okay, I can't watch any. This is just actual. Like my brain is rotting currently.
Very angry.
Talking Ben, calm down.
If we don't get 2,000 likes, I'm gonna turn you and everyone watching into a cute toy.
No, Ben, stop. Please don't do that. Please.
Dude, how is that working though? Wow, that's so sad. That's just sad. I just wanted to see kind of what he was up to, but I actually liked the other video better.
He launches into the air as if it was thrown by something supernatural. As it erupts, the lights flicker while in midair. The tree slams back down, sending 2 cats bolting in panic.
I mean, that's just cats. And I mean, something could have popped. I don't know what you got under here. Airbag situation going on here.
But the worst part isn't the impact. As the chaos erupts, a low, disturbing laugh can be heard clearly, picked up by the camera and reacted to by the family dog. little girl.
That was so added in. And I'm pretty sure by him. I can't with that. Oh man. Man, kind of sad to see, you know? If you see the brain rot Uber run.
Uber for Jay?
What's that?
Uber for Jay?
Yeah, that's me.
Get in the back.
Bro, I mean, you would have ordered the Uber.
Oh, what the hell is this, dude? Is that Hank?
Shut up, man. Don't worry about it.
What is all this stuff? Your Uber's filthy, dude. I'm gonna rate you 1 star. What the hell are you doing in here?
Shut up, man.
Is this Michael Jackson? What the hell? Bro, you're sick. You are sick.
Twinkie for your stinky.
For my what? How old is this Twinkie, man? I'm gonna call up Uber right after this and you're done. This is your last day. You're gonna get banned. I'm gonna get you banned. Can't be riding around like this, dude. This is creepy. This is nuts. What is that, Diddy? You got Diddy in here? You're real.
What? Shit, bro. This made my day. Guys, I made it out alive. Oh, good. He survived.
Sick, bro. This is some kind of joke.
Shut up and get in the back. Don't ask questions.
Dude, you're freaking weird, man. You're freaking weird. What the
A bitch.
What? Bro, you can't say that. You can't use that kind of language, bro. You're my...
There's just a fever dream, like skimming through one of his videos.
Oh, take this camera. Take this camera.
You want me to take a camera in the bathroom, bro?
Yeah.
Is that what you're really trying to say right now? You got...
How did we get here? Do they script this out? Is this like improv?
What? Is that a turkey? Bro, you're sick. You're sick, bro. What are you doing? Bro, what? Who? Dude, you can't... Is that a pigeon, bro? Bro, yo, put your...
I just go through the whole binder. I just skipped like the whole 2 minutes.
What the... Bro.
All right, you know what? This is getting weird. I don't know. This is a very weird video. I think I'm just going to end it there. So I'm kind of done with the Jaystation rabbit hole. I think I've seen enough. I'm good for him to like dip out for another like 2 years. All right, next video.